It ain't that hot, bro. It ain't that hot. Oh! Hey! Oh! Whoo! Yo, what's up, guys? Guess what? I'm back again with another one, and today I'll be putting my hands in hot boiling water. Yep, that's what's happening. It's empty, as you can see for now, so I'm gonna put the water. This is a real life thing. I need you guys to see everything as it happens, you know. I don't want you guys thinking that, nah, he's editing, man, he's lying. No. Now, I know. Might sound like it's a stupid challenge, but yeah, I'm just doing it because it's fun. And it's my YouTube channel, man, you know. I'm the owner. Nobody can do me nothing. You feel me? Yeah. Anyways, while the water are boiling real quick, you know, you guys press the subscribe button, you feel me? How about we connect real quick? If you're on Instagram, follow me. I'm at Occupied Boy, Occupied_boy. If you're on TikTok, then I'm at Occupied Boy, no underscore, you feel me? If you're on yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, Occupied Boy all over any social media platform. And yeah, let's connect, man, you feel me? Let's do what we do. And I'm also planning to open a Discord server, you feel me? So yeah, if you guys want me to open one, yeah. Looks like the ghost also want to follow me. Anyway, don't be shy, because in life, right, in life, you need to not be shy. You need to be yourself. Believe in yourself. Because when you don't believe in yourself, nigga, who's gonna believe in you? You understand? It's all about you. Words of inspiration. I inspire you. You inspire me. Let's inspire each other. And if we inspire each other, let me stop blabbering. If y'all ever knew that, I have a weird hidden talent. You hear it? Yeah. That's my hidden talent, bro. It's called the knuckle chickles. Feel me? Alright. How about we test first, you feel me? Okay. So we are just gonna put one hand at first, you know, only this one. Yeah. And then yeah. Then after that, I'll show you what kind of man I am. I'm a man. Feel me? Yeah. Let's go. Hey! I was just testing the water, you feel me? I was just testing. Let's go in right now. Yeah. Woo! Look at this. How about we put it as a fist, you feel me? Like this. It ain't that hot, bro. It ain't that hot. Oh! Hey! Oh! Hey! Oh! Oh! Don't try this at home, yeah? Hey! Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. Because if you try this at home, that's gonna happen to you. You feel me? If you want to try it outside. I'm kidding. Don't try it anyway. This is stupid. But you know what's actually funny about hot water, right? Hot water is that when you put your hand a lot, you get used to it. See, that's how humans are. You understand? Look at this. Like look at. Oh, okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Press the subscribe button, nigga. This. Wow. Yeah. Press the subscribe button and see you guys next time. It's your boy, Occupied Boy. Peace. Look at this.